There goes Michael and the internet Freightliner, the International
Century.
Freightliner Century. We're harvesting corn today. There he goes.
All right, now we're
The 9200's right there, International. We're waiting on the combine. My brother's gonna honk this. Well, that scared me. We're over at JC's field, actually. There's
Having
Michael's
fun.
truck.
No, that's not his. His truck's behind the barn.
No, JC's truck is there. I said Michael's truck. But yeah, we're harvesting corn today, not soybeans yet. But we
Only
will
one trucker
eventually.
now because Jordan's not here.
This morning, there will only be 8 loads. Ticketmaster.com. Search for WIBC.
Proof it. Zeus.
Is it just Michael today?
Yeah, Devin had to leave a little bit ago.
Michael came back soon in the
We saw him come back just a little while ago.
Yeah.
I thought you would be on soybeans today. It's still a little wet.
They're still a little wet, so we'll just stick with corn for today.
How many acres is this field?
Sorry if I'm shaking.
78 acres.
Which provide real-time readings of blood glucose levels. What's bad is an approved
We're playing a little corn maze,
500 private
running through the corn.
Over here.
Yeah, buddy.
Let me scoot up there, Zeus.
They said hello. One of them videotaping it.
Am I going to be famous?
Linville Farms.
I told her it's going to cost him $100 to get it.
Oh, stop it, Ty. We used to save $100 a minute.
Nobody's saying anything about them out here yet. You're on the bus.
KSMX. What is it? 225. Jan and green card.
We'll have 310 out there tomorrow. We got no window put in it, so it's good.
We saw a 310 in the barn.
Yeah, we saw the new one up there. I haven't been that far. That's new for me.
We're awesome. It's getting done. Corn is awesome.
You can have a heck of a time.
213 is yield right now. And then 19% moisture.
She's just gonna
I'm just
follow you
trying to
back
look
to
at
the
it.
truck.
I'm looking at it. You can't see it on here. But man, it's bouncing. Whoa! Wet in the waterway. We're in. I'm shaky. Sorry about that.
We weren't there yesterday. We weren't here yesterday because we were with our grandma.
Shows up better. Hey, good Sam. Better than last time.
We was out there at the museum yesterday, so we weren't out here yesterday either.
That's pretty perfect timing then. That's pretty perfect timing then.
Yeah.
Did you just start?
We weren't gonna be there either.
What time did you start?
Yeah, we started earlier this morning. We just got started in this field a little while ago.
I saw the soybean field.
Yeah, he used to
Hey, Zeus. Hey, buddy boy.
Yes.
Hey, buddy. That's it for me. Yes, bud.
Zeus, get down. Zeus, get down.
Hey, buddy.
Get down. Now you can get turned around and follow me next.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm not tell you.
International. Michael took the Freightliner a little bit ago. Still home to your place?
It's going over the elevator at our place.
Camera doesn't pick up the yield or anything that well.
That,
I'll have to get up close.
probably the lighting's probably messed up.
Got two cops there. Oh no, just hanging there. It's gonna fall.
Come on, lean backward.
It's gonna fall.
And on. Me bunch.
Eventually it will. There it goes.
There.
This is good corn, you can tell. Kind of dry.
That's quite dry.
Millennial Farmer just posted a video.
Today?
Yeah.
Up, Andy. There's another one going down the road. It's not Michael, but another truck.
Can't pick up the truck. How much is it? How much acres is this field?
78,
78 acres. Soybeans 230 acres.
220.
20. Okay. We're a little close this morning. We were asking how much acres it was. That it's.
That was yesterday. Or no, that's the day before, my bad.
Yes, it was.
Just keep following your way.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm backing up right now though, so heads
It's
up.
over the green window.
I don't see anything yet. Can't see it. I don't think I can see that. She's waiting on us. Harvest 2022, it's awesome. Can't believe how much prices is like for diesel.
Do it.
Can't believe how much prices is it for diesel.
No.
Yeah, just a second. There we
Back it up.
go. It won't zoom in. It won't see it. Yields 212.
Is it?
Yeah.
Can't see very yeah.
Our camera can't see the camera. It can't pick up anything much else. Now I got it back up. It's okay.
Dump it on the go. Don't dump.
Unload on the go here. Okay. get some good footage.
Clean my windows for you.
There we go.
Let's go ahead and stop here.
That waterfall. Got over there on the hill on. See if I can get that. Got it? No, I can't see anything about it.
How much more do you need for that trailer?
Just back.
That might be that condition.
Okay.
I guess pick up whenever you get done, just come back this direction and find me.
Okay.
I can't get some light on my subject.
Did you stop a little bit after last night or the Saturday night? Did you stop a little bit after we left?
No, I think I finished up about 10:30. Got the field done.
It took a minute for us to look for you.
Oh, today?
We were walking along
Oh.
here.
There's a lot of inroads out here in this field.
Our house is up there. We're down here. We're about to kick you out of the tractor. About to kick Zeus out of the tractor. I mean the combine.
He needs to be. He was kicked out of it this morning. My father-in-law was riding with me, so he had to stay in the back of the truck, in the back seat of the truck for a while this morning.
Yep, it's my truck's down.
The 9200, and Michael took the Century, Freightliner Century.
And it's still gone.
What else was I gonna say? Yeah, is he still going 11 miles to your original grain elevator?
Yeah, same place. About an hour and a half round trip for him.
It's only just him, so it's
Why do you have these closed?
it'll
I
take
think my
him,
father-in-law. You can open them up if you want to. My father-in-law closed.
took him a little while to. It's gonna be a real challenge for the trucks. Be a real challenge for Michael.
Yep.
Get it still to focus. tell it to you. 219, 213 on the EA monitor, and 17.7 moisture. We're on 8 rows here. What kind of head is this?
893.
893, okay.
Is it a 608C?
Huh?
No, it's an 893.
893.
It's an 8-row, correct? We had to switch seats for a second. What? Yeah, it is bumpy. I'm real shaky. I don't really want to be shaky, but I am. Hopefully I get good footage. Wow, I'm shaking. It's a lot of bumps through here. The waterway. Just a couple. Last yield was 212. That's actually not bad.
Happy with it?
You have your stompers on today?
No, I don't. I haven't got it fixed yet. I'm running with it. Got my part in, but I just haven't got it out yet.
It's not up to the gray window yet. Let's see. Well, there we go.
Up to this window. But not that window. see it from the sun blaring to me.
There it is. Look.
I can see it. I can already see it. Just not very well. me to get out. Go ahead. Honk the horn. Fire, hear it. It's not shut yet. Sit on it. What happened with this? This is not how the planter would work.
I didn't go over far enough.
No, buddy.
There's get down. Zeus. Get down.
Now we're on the north end of this field. Still harvesting. Not bad yield. 170,
Look at that big wet hole back here.
20, 19.3.
I'm gonna get backing up here in a second.
Is she? Alright. I don't see her in the mirrors. All I see is dust. Back there rolling out from the separator. Have it clean. You walk the sieves at all? Moisture at 209 yields. Beatty Construction's up there, near Austin's house, north end of this field. try. It's awesome. Take that. Dusty.
Deuce, get down.
You want me to stay here? What?
We'll get back.
Yeah, stay here for a minute. You're about full, but you can.
Okay.
Hopefully you can fill that 9200i. Or not a 9, it's not a 9. Never mind, it's just a 9200.
I think it's already solid.
Maybe.
Yes.
Well, it's not a good sign.
Yeah, but still sitting here, so I'm waiting on the truck. Oh, it will be.
You're harvesting corn with a big combine.
What happens? Whatever the alternative is, I'm having any green with the truck.
There's a plug.
She probably wants you to open it up.
Do you want me to go back to the semi?
Yeah, but he's still over there at the elevator. He's another 10 minutes before he's gonna come.
Okay. No sounds good.
Hopefully you can find your way out of here.
I know, it's a maze.
It's a corn maze. Oh, shoot. Oh, she turned around behind you. Guess that's why we were waiting.
Getting out of the way.
John Deere 9760 STS 2005. That's not like you. It was only at 0 for a second. We got a little ways to go here. Zoomed out. Alright. Get in the water. Okay, we brought our own backpack with water.
Yeah.
We got one For you.
Thank you.
You want it now?
I've got plenty, thank you. Got a cooler in here, and I got one in the truck.
Okay.
Bring my light back.
No, probably that's gonna be your soggy harvest.
What?